Hi everyone, welcome to Ami's Lifestyle. I'm back with another requested video because recently one of my viewers asked me what kind of hair mask do I use. So I'm gonna share two DIY hair masks which will take care of dry, damaged, frizzy hair. It will promote the hair growth as well as it will give you nice, lustered, glossy hair. So let's get started. So for the first hair mask, we need methi seeds, and that is the fenugreek seeds. So here I'm taking less than a half a cup and I'm gonna soak this into 2 cups of water. So basically you want to make sure you have enough water to cover the methi seeds. And I'm gonna soak this overnight. So you want to do this step day before you want to apply your mask. And this is the next morning. As you can see, the seeds are very soft at this point. So now I'm going to go ahead and drain the water out. Methi seeds are packed with the protein. They are high in iron as well as potassium. They are good for dandruff as well as itchy scalp. They will prevent your hair from graying. It will promote the hair growth. It will give really nice luster, glossy hair. It will make your hair very soft and frizz-free. So the methi seeds are really good for hair, and I do this mask at least once a week. So once I drain all the water out, again we're gonna save that water. And now into the blender, I'm gonna add coconut oil. Coconut oil will help your hair grow faster, longer, and thicker. So whenever you use the coconut oil, make sure you use the organic one. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the oil with the methi seeds. So I add about 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, and here I'm adding 1 entire avocado. If you cannot find avocado, that's fine, you can skip this, but again it is gonna give really good moisture to your hair. It will promote the hair growth, it will give really good shine, and your hair will be very bouncy and soft. So here I add 1 entire avocado. Next, I'm gonna add plain yogurt into this. Again, if you are suffering from any kind of itchy, aggravated scalp, then definitely you want to use yogurt. So I add about 2 tablespoons here, and that's about it. We're gonna go ahead and blend everything together now. So this mask consistency, it's not going to be smooth at all because of the fenugreek seeds. So I'm going to go ahead and add the water which I saved from the methi seeds when I soak it overnight. So again, I'm going to blend it one more time and try to get the smooth consistency so it's easy to apply. But believe me guys, this mask is worth all the efforts. I have seen such a nice result with this mask every time I apply. So this much quantity will last me at least 2 times, and the leftover I'm gonna keep it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 10 days. And as you can see, the consistency, it's very thick, so now it's gonna be really easy to apply. And there is no any right way, wrong way to apply this. You can just apply how you apply henna in your hair, or you massage the oil in your hair. One thing you want to be careful is after applying, you want to cover your hair. Otherwise, you will have mess everywhere. Second thing, it will dry up, and then you will have really hard time washing your hair. So I didn't have the time to go upstairs and get the shower cap, so I'm just using any kind of plastic bag here. I've been applying this mask for many years now, and whenever I don't do it, I miss that. So definitely guys, do try this because it will give you perfect, softest, and very luster, shiny hair. So for this second hair mask, I'm gonna use aloe vera. Yes, we all know aloe vera is so healthy for us. It's good for our skin, it's good for our hair. So first of all, I'm gonna cut that into the pieces, and then I'm gonna cut it from the side and then I'm gonna peel the skin. What we want is that ooey gooey pulp what is in there, and it's really easy to scoop it out. You can scoop it out with the spoon, and now we're gonna make the juice out of it. Any kind of hair problem you might be having, like excessive hair fall, dandruff, or the itchy scalp, give this a try. Do this for a few days and you will be amazed with the result. You can always drink the juice. As you can see, cut that into cubes, put it in the blender, make the juice out of it. If you don't like the taste of it, you can always mix it with the fresh juice and drink it that way. If not, cut that into the cubes, sprinkle a little bit of turmeric powder on top of that, and swallow it because it's good for health also. As you saw, I did not add anything else other than the aloe vera. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply that into my hair. Again, there is no right way, wrong way. You just want to massage into your hair. And this mask, I do it at night. So I'm gonna keep it entire night and then I'm gonna wash it next morning. And the other mask, I keep it for about 2 hours. So do try this hair mask. I'm sure your hair will be soft, strong, as well as bouncy and shiny. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Please hit that like button if you like this video. Comment below and let me know what other kind of video you like to see. And I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.